If nothing else, it's a wonderful afternoon for a drive. You are looking at sunshine out there. Temperatures are obviously on the cool side. We have kind of evacuated anything that was be considered warm from our lexicon here for a while. We're looking at Broadway, which is also moving along nicely here. That's your Kentucky One Health weather bug camera. That's located at St. Joseph Hospital. Looking back toward a true blue sky for you. All righty, that played a role last night. We're going to get to that in a second with the frost. Now, technically, when we talk about frost and the frost temperature, 36 is your threshold. So, yeah, we did achieve that Lexington and Mount Sterling. I don't know, when I woke up this morning, there was no frost even down in the valley near the house. So you may have seen some by you. It may or may not have happened with that 36-degree mark. We did see it up around Flemingsburg and Moorhead on up into Mason County. Frankfort at 34 likely had some as well, and none as we look to the south where overnight lows were around 40. So the frost, why did it not happen for a lot of us last night? Well, as the cold or the heat from the day tries to radiate out towards space, the clouds act as a blanket. And so what happens is you're not allowing the temperature to fall off near the surface. So the blanket of clouds, thin as it was enough to keep our temperatures from really bottoming out. Well, tonight, we're going to keep the sky mainly clear. And when that happens, all the heat is allowed to radiate up into space. That's what allows the temperatures at the Earth's surface to get as cold as they possibly can given the atmosphere. And with that, you're looking at that frost potential for us tonight, and a frost advisory follows suit. Essentially Highway 127 and east, freeze warning up around the Ashland area. But for us, another cold night with overnight lows. We're going to try and knock a couple more degrees off. Maybe not quite a killing freeze, but we're looking at low and mid 30s around the area, except across the far south where we'll see those temperatures bottoming out. For a lot of folks, upper 30s to around 40. We talked about this yesterday. One of the things you need is dry air. We measure that with the dew point. That's essentially your basement temperature on a latter part of the afternoon. So again, we're looking low and mid 30s out there for many of us. So with the frost advisory, take two. We'll see what we can pull off for you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, 60s all of a sudden seem warm. Your cat's cast. It's going to be a brisk night. There is a small rain chance as we look towards Saturday evening. The chill that'll be out there. Now, the daytime high will be in the 50s. That'll likely be midday, falling temperatures in the afternoon. Again, everything stays below the normal, which still is on the way down. 57 at the Bluegrass Airport, and you're looking at that north wind at 7. And you look around, temperatures running mid-50s for most. You're seeing 58 in Frankfort, 54 Jackson, 58 London, 57 out of Somerset and Moorhead. Max Track Live Doppler's quiet. Those clouds, those are what kept the frost from happening last night. But you notice we got you into the morning, thinned all those out. And overall, the weather has been improving. These clouds are far enough back to the west. Shouldn't be a problem for us tonight, although they move in during the day tomorrow. And as they do that, you will see sunshine to begin the day, and those clouds will then increase as we head toward the afternoon hours. Big high pressure remains in control, sliding off to the east. A little warm front comes by tomorrow. One of two cold fronts bring the rain possibilities for us as we head towards your weekend. So for tonight, frost advisory, mainly clear, mid-30s. Early sunshine giving you more clouds, a breezy, milder day tomorrow. We're in the mid-60s. We get you to Saturday. Midday high in the upper 50s. Temperatures likely falling during the afternoon. Temperatures will be in the low 40s during the game. Be prepared for that. And another cold day comes in on Sunday.
Mittens, blankets, and lots of touchdowns.
And hot chocolate.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
Thanks, Phil. Employees